My dear students, let us solve the problem of electromagnetic induction in which there is an inductor of 5 millihenries. What is the EMF here? You know the formula is L di by dt. Inductor is 5 into 10 power minus 3 and di by dt it is given as 10 power 3. So EMF at this place will be getting 5 volts. He is asking us to find out VB minus VA. So first of all, let us find out what is VA. And current is moving in this direction. The loop is also taken in this direction. So as current is passing from higher to lower, you have to take minus 5 into I, that is 5. And this is going from lower to higher, negative to positive, taken as plus 15. And this is again taken as plus 5 is equal to VB. Okay, so 5 gets cancelled. VA minus VB is equal to minus 15. If you reverse this one, VB minus VA is going to be plus 15. Thank you very much. Alternating currents. You can just see the DC is connected to this circuit. When DC is connected to this circuit, inductors behave like open circuit. They does not allow DC. They will behave like open circuit. When they behave like an open circuit, then this simplified circuit is this one. That's it. It's very simple now. The resultant resistance is going to be R by 2 because they are in parallel. Effective resistance is R by 2. And what is R here? R is given as 9. So your answer is 9 by 2. The effective resistance is 9 by 2. So what is the current? Current is nothing but potential by effective resistance. And what is the potential given here? It is given as 18. 18 by 9 by 2. That's it. So it's going to be just 4 amperes. Is going to be your answer. That's it. Thank you very much. My dear students, you can use this lens maker's formula and solve the problem. But there is one more formula which is called as lens breaker's formula, which is discovered by me. Here there is a air and on the either side there is a glass. How can you find out the focal length without using lens maker's formula? A simple formula is we can use focal length is equal to minus mu into R. Okay, you can bypass lens maker's formula. Then what is minus mu here? It is minus 1.5 into R. What is that R? 10 centimeters. So directly get minus 15 centimeters. Minus is there means it is a concave lens. That's it. So it's an option. Okay. Good news for Neet aspirants. You can bypass these lengthy methods and solve the problem in just single step. Instead of substituting the values of Planck's constant and the value of velocity of light and wavelength, you can just do one thing, 12400 by E, and E is given by 2.5 electron volts. I have done the calculations. You can just see in the calculator, you will be getting around 4,900 Armstrongs. But you have to select the option which is less than 5,000 Armstrongs. So your answer is going to be 4,000 Armstrongs, which is shown here. Thank you very much. My dear students, I will teach you the fastest way of solving this type of problem. You know this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. And now this is 4 means into 3 gives you 12. That means this combined together it should be 5. Then only 5 into 3 is equal to 15. If this combined together it is 5, means what is this unknown resistance? Without solving you can write this is going to be 10 ohms. Why 10 ohms? Because when two resistors are same and they are parallel, then answer will be half of any one. By this concept, you can say that R is going to be 10. Hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you very much. My dear students, this is a previous year question asked in 2016. Okay, so in an LCR circuit, for better tuning, what should be the combination of resistance, inductance, and capacitance? You have to select the best tuning combination. For that, the formula is quality factor is given as 1 by R is equal to root of L by C. Whose resistance is least, quality factor is highest. Whose inductance is highest, quality factor is highest. Because it is directly related, this is inversely related. So select the combination whose resistance is least and inductance is highest. I think the first option is the better suitable because resistance is least among the combination and inductance is highest among all the combinations. Hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the complete concepts of diode. All models of diode. You can just remember only one thing, that this is a positive terminal of a battery, negative terminal of a battery. So positive connected to positive terminal of a diode, it is forward bias, current conducts. When negative is connected to positive and positive is connected to negative, it is reverse bias, it doesn't conduct. Now let us go ahead now. So positive is connected to positive. This is forward bias, this is reverse bias. This conducts, this does not conduct. So current I is equal to V by R, which is nothing but 5 by 10, which is 0.5 amperes. In this case, this positive is connected to positive, negative connected to negative. This is forward bias, this is reverse bias. This conducts. So current I is equal to V by R. V is 5, R is 20 in this case. So which is going to be 0 to 5. We can consider this one. So next, let us go ahead for the next concept here. The next problem. Here also, positive is connected to positive. So both are forward bias, both will conduct because both are connected to positive, positive and negative, negative. So therefore, current I is equal to V by R, that is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 ampere. So here, this is forward bias, this is reverse bias. Actually, no current flows, therefore the current is going to be 0. Here, this is forward bias, this is reverse bias because positive is connected to positive. In this case, positive is connected to positive, this is forward, this is reverse. In both the cases, I is equal to V by R. So it is 1 ampere. In this case also, this is forward, this is reverse bias. So current passes here. So it is also 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 ampere. Next, let us discuss here in this case, this is 5 volts. And here, both are forward bias. So therefore, this is parallel connection. So when both the resistors are parallel and same, then the effective resistance will going to be only 5 ohms. Okay, so I is equal to V by R, which is nothing but 5 by 5, which is 1 ampere. Now in this case, this is forward and this is reverse. Then what happens? Here only one is going to conduct. So therefore I is equal to V by R. V is 5 and this is 10. Your answer is 0.5 amperes. Hope you have enjoyed all these problems. Thank you very much.